Hi, welcome. Let me do a quick introduction to this course. It is called Intro to Coding, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, as you can see here, we have 12 videos so far, totaling 2 hours and 43 minutes. And including this video, it might go up to 3 hours. But I want to introduce what FreeCodeCamp is, and then I want to do a course overview intro. I'm going to introduce you to the FCC news as well as FCC forums, and introducing you to my personal FCC account. So when I say FCC, I really mean FreeCodeCamp. So let me just show you what that is in a new browser. Right. So here is my personal account where I have completed over 525 coding challenges out of 1,409. I've built 14 out of 30 projects. I've earned 1 out of 3 legacy certifications, and as well as 1 out of 6 certifications. And so I will be guiding you through FreeCodeCamp, which I call FCC for short and simplicity sake. So my FCC account, you see inside, it's just 4 minutes. I'm going to walk you through my account, and then I'm going to teach you and guide you through how to create your own account. And then I'm going to introduce you to the first video, which is introduction to HTML, CSS. Actually, no, just regular HTML. Let me go to the curriculum to show you. So here we have the first certificate. Let me just close it. So there's going to be 6 certificates altogether, and this video series is going to cover at least the first 3 of them, and then I'm going to continue working on it, and it's going to take some more time because it's basically almost 1,000 hours of videos and production and what have you. So we're going to start with the first one, which is basic HTML and HTML5. And here is the introduction, and then we're going to do all of these. I'm going to walk you through step by step all these different challenges, and then we're going to step into the next class, which is basic CSS, and then the next class is going to be applied visual design, applied accessibility, and so all these are going to be different classes. And then I'm going to do another class just to do the projects, which there are 5, and I've done 2 of which. These next 3 that are not finished, they are new, and I'll be walking you through how I do them after I do all these other classes. So that's the first class, which is basic HTML, and then there's going to be another class, basic CSS, and applied visual design is going to be another class, applied accessibility another class, and all these would total about 300 hours or more, because it would take about 300 hours if you do it yourself. But if someone's guiding you, if I'm doing videos and I'm editing and you know, uploading them and what have you, so it's going to be about, you know, I expect it to be maybe 400 hours each. So this is well over 1,200 hours. But don't worry, we'll go through it step by step, and I'm going to actually walk you through each of these one at a time. So anyway, so back to this introduction. So I'm going to introduce you to different things as well, and in FCC. And I also have a few bonus videos right here about introduction to the basic algorithms in JavaScript, which is the next section here. So it's a preview of the next section of classes, and each of these are again another class plus projects, right? And then after that, I'm going to do another video about the next section, which is front-end libraries. So let's not jump ahead. And so a couple of videos from Code Academy where I walk you through what I did, and I'm going to do more videos like this, but right now we're focusing on FreeCodeCamp. So yeah, so this is just an introduction video. I have not actually done any, I've not actually gone through any of these except maybe the first one, like saying hello to HTML elements. I did introduce that. I did put it here. It is I should say it's a bonus video. And I will rearrange a few things here. I'll rearrange a few items here so that it kind of makes more sense. But right now this is what I have. And saying hello to HTML elements is the first class, or the first video in the next class. I've put it here because basically it's part of creating your own FCC account, which I made a new FCC account, not using this one, which is already pretty full. And notice I haven't done anything new recently, but the longest streak I had was 81 days. And I have my front end certificate here, my legacy certificates here, and I guess I'm going to update these. Right now I haven't updated them since August, it seems, and then obviously I changed this. I did this back in November 24th. So it is currently December, and I'm getting this ready for next year because I'm going to launch like basically the next couple thousand hours of videos. And I want to start with this and then do this JavaScript algorithms and data structures, and then I'm going to do front end libraries. And this is my plan right now, and I'm obviously going to finish the rest of it later on, and I'm going to do some coding interview preps if I have time. But again, think about it's going to be another 2,000 hours here, 1,000, 2,000 hours. So I'm investing a lot of time and energy into this, and I hope that you be part of my courses and learn a lot from me. You can obviously find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, GitHub, my personal website, and Twitter. You can actually go to my profile, which is here. You can actually see I've been with Free Code Camp since 2016. I started in April 12th, so I've been, a very long time. I did lots of challenges. Okay, and like I said, the longest streak I had was 81 days in a row, and obviously I'm going to start a new streak if I can, but most likely not. And I have if back when there was points, I had about 1,132 points. And right now I'm a holographic SEO, digital marketing consultant, web software engineer and developer, architect and designer. Great, so this concludes my introduction to this course. This is my intro to coding, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which is basically covered in this first 3 areas, and then I'm going to do other ones, another few video series and classes later on. Okay, I'll see you inside the class. So this is going to be video number 1. I'm going to replace this and move a few things around, and I hope you enjoy this. And obviously the last one is going to be, I think, 13, or I'm going to make another video. I'm going to make it 14 videos. So this is basically a bonus video, which is a speed run through HTML, CSS, and on FreeCodeCamp in the previous legacy curriculum. They have updated it since, and you're looking at the updated curriculum here. It used to be very different. I'm not sure if I have a video about that, but it used to be kind of like mixed. The front end and front end libraries kind of mixed into the whole responsive web design certificate, and then JavaScript is kind of anyway, it was kind of like all together in one, right? Okay, so I'll try to dig up the previous iteration of this, but whichever the case, hope you enjoy this, and make sure to save this and watch all the videos. They are well worth it. Take care. I'll see you inside.